Got a Black & Decker cordless weed whacker. Now it's not charging, so I have my tester. CTS 11100CA. 12 volts DC. Okay, I got it plugged in, so we'll check it. It's reading 14.1. So I set the camera lower so you could see that. See, 14.1. Well, confirmed with 2 testers. So now we have to take the weed whacker apart again. This is a Torx. A whole bunch of screws. But I'm going to plug it in for a second and see what's going on here. It's supposed to be an indicator light. What color?
Red.
Red? To charge? Nothing. Okay, we got to take it apart. Got all the screws out, a whole bunch of them here. There, it's in half. There's the connector. I'll keep testing it at different spots. Check the battery. See, the battery is only 6 volts. But it's a 12 volt battery. 12 volt battery, but got 6 volts on it. Because I'm checking right here and I'm getting a full charge here. 13.6 on this side, which runs to the battery. Check that right there. See, I'm getting 13.6 there. But when I check here, I'm down to 5. Okay, I'll disconnect the battery now and we'll see what's going on. I better unplug it. Okay, unplug one side of the battery. See the gauge there. Get the gauge in. See, I disconnect the one side of the battery. I'm only getting 6 volts from the battery. And it's a 12 volt battery. So I gotta take this to the battery place and get them to check it, because that battery is only about a year old. Yeah. Well, I went to the store today and got another battery, and I quickly connected it in the store, and it ran the motor. So now I'm going to install it. The red goes to red, and the white and black goes on this side here. And of course, everything get... Okay, it's in there. Okay, now I can connect the red one. Now I gotta route the charger wire and put this little charging light back in the slot right there. See, it's got a little hole that you can see it charging. It just sits just like that. There's little grooves here that you set the wire in. Just like that. All the way along. With the wires all tucked in right here, you should have no problem putting the case together. And I'm going to leave this out because this was the part of the, not the part of the trigger. I think this is just the safety piece. Okay, right here I can just test, see if it's actually working before I put it all together. Yep, it works.